Hi, welcome back to my channel. I want to show you how to make these nice good peanut butter cookies. Easy to make. Follow along with me and I'll show you how I made it. Okay, we're going to use a jar of peanut butter. You want to use quite a bit of peanut butter in this because this is going to be a peanut butter cookie, a real one. Next, you want to use 2 sticks of butter. That'd be 2 sticks if you're using sticks. Now, the thing it is, you want to stir this in real nice. You want to stir this butter and peanut butter together real good before we get to the next step. You gotta make sure it's real good and blended together. Okay, that's what we're looking for right there. Okay, I guess that's about it. Okay, and next you want three eggs, and we want to stir this in real good, just like the last time. I'm having to use my hands, so I gotta let this down and stir this. But you're going to stir this in very good before we get to the next step. Okay, you want a ½ teaspoon of vanilla extract. I'm having to use almond because I'm out of vanilla extract, but you really want to use vanilla for this. It's important. Okay, in a separate bowl, you want to put 3 cups of flour. I've already put in 2 cups. And here's the last one. You want 3 cups of flour in this. Okay, we'll come back. Okay, next we want to use a ½ teaspoon of salt. Next, you want a ½ teaspoon of baking soda. Okay, next thing you want to do is you want to mix all this that you put in here together. Make sure this gets mixed in the barrel. Okay, we want 1 cup of sugar. Okay, and kind of mix that together. Okay, this is the important part. We already got the liquid fit all together and the dry. So you don't want to do all at once, but you want to kind of slowly start putting in the dry ingredient into it, but like a cupful at a time until you can mix it together. Like that's good, and what you want to do is mix together. Okay, that's what you're looking for in the dough. That's what the dough's supposed to look like when it's done, the cookie dough. Now all we got to do now is get the pan ready, get it sprayed down, and start rolling us some balls to make the cookies. We'll get to that now. Okay, the next step you want to do is roll them onto a sheet like this, and use your fork and smash them together. We're going to put this into the oven for about 350 for about 10-14 minutes. Man, these are delicious looking cookies. Let's do a little taste test, see exactly how they taste. I'm going to try this in right here. That is really, really good. Wow. Real peanut butter taste. I want to thank you for watching my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you hit that subscribe button, don't forget to hit the notification so you don't miss the episode of my videos. And I will see you next time.